Want to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face and without spending a single dollar? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to launch a faceless YouTube channel from scratch with zero investment and how to set it up for real growth in 2025. Most beginners think you need an expensive camera, editing software, or even a team to succeed on YouTube. The truth is, you don't need any of that. All you need is the right strategy, a few free tools, and some consistency. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own faceless channel today without opening your wallet. Step 1 is choosing your niche. This is where most people get stuck. Don't just chase random trends, instead pick a topic that people are already searching for and one that you can create content for consistently. Some of the best faceless niches are AI tutorials and tech tips, finance and money-making content, top 10 style list videos, meditation and relaxation, or even storytelling and true crime. Start with just one niche and stick with it. Don't try to cover everything at once. Focus builds authority. Now let's talk about tools. You don't need to pay for expensive software. Here are completely free options to get started. For editing, use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. For thumbnails, Canva's free version works perfectly. For voiceovers, you can use your own voice with a free app like Audacity, or try free AI voice tools such as 11 Labs or PlayHT. For visuals, grab free stock footage and images from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash. And for scripts, use ChatGPT's free plan to help you outline and structure your content. With just these free tools, you can create professional-looking videos without spending a cent. You don't need a fancy microphone or a camera to get started. You can record your screen, use free stock footage, add simple animations, or even build a Stickman mascot like I use here. Keep your videos short in the beginning. Around 3 to 6 minutes is more than enough to start getting traction. And here's a pro editing tip. Don't waste time on crazy effects. Keep it clean, clear, and easy to follow. Simple cuts, readable text, and engaging visuals are all you really need. Uploading the right way makes a huge difference in how your video performs. Here's what to focus on. Your title should use keywords people are actually searching for. For example, how to start a faceless YouTube channel with $0 investment. In your description, summarize the video, add a call to action, and use relevant hashtags. For tags, use keywords like faceless YouTube, YouTube automation, beginner YouTube tips. For your thumbnail, make sure it's bold, readable, and branded so people instantly recognize your style. And finally, set your category to education so YouTube knows where to recommend your content. This step is the most important, and it's where most beginners fail. They upload 1 or 2 videos, get barely any views, and quit. But here's the truth. YouTube takes time. You usually need at least 10 to 20 videos before the algorithm starts pushing your content. So instead of aiming for perfection, aim for consistency. Commit to uploading at least 2 videos per week, even if they're not perfect. Consistency beats perfection. Every single time, you don't need money to start a faceless channel. What you need is action. Pick your niche, use free tools, and start uploading consistently. That's the real formula for growth. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Niche Pilot, and turn on notifications for more real YouTube growth tips. Your faceless channel could be the next big success, but only if you start. I'll see you in the next video.